Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to paint sky digital art. We will begin by exploring essential foundational steps. First, gather diverse sky reference images to inspire your work and ensure accuracy. Next, set up your digital canvas with suitable dimensions and a high resolution, perhaps 300 dpi, for optimal detail. Then, establish a smooth gradient for the sky's base, considering the time of day. Finally, identify your primary light source and its direction and intensity. Now, let's dive into crafting realistic digital clouds. Start by using large, soft brushes to block in the general shapes and volumes of your clouds. Think about their overall form. Then, layer lighter colors on top to define the areas illuminated by your light source, adding crucial depth. Introduce darker tones underneath the clouds to create convincing shadows and give them a sense of weight. Remember to vary cloud shapes and sizes for a natural, dynamic composition. Understanding light and atmosphere is key to a compelling sky. Incorporate atmospheric perspective by making distant elements lighter and less saturated, creating depth. Adjust your sky's color palette to reflect the time of day. Think warm oranges for a sunset or cool blues for midday. Utilize blending modes like color dodge or overlay to enhance highlights and create beautiful glow effects. Always ensure consistent light direction and color temperature across all elements for a cohesive scene. For advanced refinement, let's add those finishing touches. Introduce subtle textures to your clouds using custom brushes or a gentle noise filter for added realism. Consider adding small, detailed elements like distant birds or twinkling stars to enhance the sense of scale and wonder. Carefully refine edges and blend transitions between colors and forms for a polished, professional appearance. Finally, apply a global color balance or contrast adjustment to unify the entire sky and make it truly shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.